everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to do what is becoming more and more. Got an awesome requested video, and we're going to knock it out. Built-ins. So alright, if you're new here, thanks for joining us. And this is one of the things that we try to do. If there's anything that you need clarification on or more explanation from me of something I've done, all you gotta do is ask and I'll knock it out. So alright, what the question was about the built-ins module and a greater understanding of the different there's capital. Well, here, let's just look at it. Built-ins. So, alright, we have the question was we have some lowercase, we have some underscore, and then we have some uppercase. So alright, and a majority of these are built-in functions, and we can just click over and look at all these, but there is a few that are what are called built-in constants. So you have your copyright, credits, license, quit, your none values, your false, and true. So now these are lowercase, and then you had a couple that were uppercase. So then the remainder of these are all class, and a majority of them, except for maybe, did I say none about the built-in? Yeah, I did say none. So alright, but a majority of these are built-in errors, and these are just class objects that are going to catch most of your exceptions, and that is that. So there's false right there, and none, and if I can get my alphabet, there's true. So awesome question. These are the things that are sitting out there that I need. Here's your print function, and what was it, license, and then what, copyright. Let's see, credits and copyright, there they are. So because you wouldn't call those keywords because that is another module, but these are built-in constants. So real quick video today, but if you've not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that watermark that's straight down below me, and please don't hesitate to leave any comments, questions, or anything like this, any video requests, because if you have the question, somebody else has the exact same question. So, and this individual has been around the channel for a long time and has asked some awesome questions, so thank you to them, and hope this was helpful, and hit me up with any more. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.